What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel, Birdman TV channel. And for today's tutorial, I will be having multi-tester tutorial and to know the parts of the multi-tester. But before that, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. This is the multi-tester analog, and we know first the part of the analog. This is the scale, and this is the needle pointer when you use the wrench. The needle pointer point to the number of any scale. This is the 0 ohm adjuster, and this is the scale of ohmmeter. Is in the upper part of the voltmeter. And this is range knob, or you can also call selector switch, where you can select AC or DC voltage. And beside the selector, where you can see the settings and where you can select and choose the AC alternating current voltages or any resistance community test, DCA or direct current. But before that, this is the test probe, where you can see the red and the black. The red is in positive and the black is in negative. And now we need to test the alternating current, and the selector, we need to put selector into the higher level of the voltages, and this is the higher part. And now we need to put the test probe into the AC. As you can see, the needle pointer point into the higher level voltages. It's in 200 plus voltage. As you can see, the selector where I put is in the higher level of the voltage, and because to prevent the tester break, or in the other term is maguba. And now is our next is the continuity of the tester, where what the selector is as resistance. There's a times 3 times 100. Do we know that our tester is in good condition? We need first to test the probe into short, and the needle point is in the short voltage. The needle point is only in here, and now here in the resistance or in the continuity test. Sometimes we need to use this in the home when we are checking the lines of the wiring in the house. Alright, thank you for watching my tutorial of the multi-tester tutorial, and please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos.